Hello, 8th graders. Your new video is for section 9.4, which is on spheres. And so first of all, a sphere, it's a three-dimensional ball, right? A round ball. It's a set of points in space that are the same distance from a center point. So in other words, a 3D circle, right? A round ball. Surface area of a sphere. So the area around a sphere. So if I wanted to figure out how much leather I needed to cover a basketball, that would be surface area of a sphere. So to do that, you take 4 times pi, which we're just going to use 3.14, times the radius squared. So let's say I have a sphere here, and the radius is 9 centimeters. So I'm going to start by writing out the formula like we've been taught. So surface area of a sphere, we're going to do 4 times 3.14 times my radius squared. So we're starting and we're doing here, right? Plugging in my numbers, so 9 squared. And again, if you remember the order of operations, this 9 squared has to come first, 9 times 9. So I have 4 times 3.14 times, I don't know what's going on with this crazy thing. So here I squared 9. 9 squared is 81. 4 times 3.14 is 12.56 times 81. And if I just multiply those two, I get 1017.36. Normally we round them, but I'm just going to leave it like that, and we'll go square centimeters. Labeled with the 2 because it has area involved. Okay, area and surface area of anything is always labeled with a 2. Okay, so what did I do? 4 times pi times radius squared. Square the radius, take it times pi, take it times 4. Done. Round it if you have to. Volume of a sphere is a little more complicated, but don't let it scare you just because it's got the 4/3 there. The formula is 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. Okay, so again, here's a sphere. Let's say that I give you the diameter. So we do 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. So 4/3 has to be there. Normally I deal with that at the end because that's the easiest. So my radius is 5, right? Radius is halfway, so half of 10 would be 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. So 4/3 times pi times 125. And I'm going to leave this 4/3 till the end. So I'm going to take 3.14 times 125. And you get 392.5. And then to get rid of this 4/3, you take it times 4 divided by 3. So I'm going to take 392 times 4 first. Gives you 1570. And then I still have this 3 to get rid of. So 1570 divided by 3. And a lot of times, the reason I leave the 3 to the end is because a lot of times you get repeaters, which in this case you do. You get 523.3 repeating. So you could do 523.3. I'm just going to round it. Millimeters cubed. Volume is cubed. Remember, for the label right here, it's got to be a 3. So let's go back here and look at what I did. 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. Radius is halfway across the circle, so it's only 5. So I did 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Then I took that times pi, and I got this. And then to get rid of the 4/3, you take it times 4, which is this, and then divide it by 3, and round it if you have to. So those are our 2 new formulas. Bring that knowledge with you, and we'll talk about it more next time I see you. Have a good night.